is one of the things that I have suffered from for a very long time, which is taking the homework paper from the students. Because I have seen a lot of really bad looking paper from the students, especially if they're writing essays or something. Some of them would just bring me like very small papers with like really not organized handwriting, and it looked very bad, and it's as if they were crumbling it or playing with it and they bring in it or have some food or juice spilled in it. It looked terrible and it made me feel miserable as a teacher and as a human being. I felt that I'm being treated badly. So this is not a nice way of treating the teacher. And at the same time, remember, it's our fault if we accept this kind of behavior. So I used to accept it for some time until I felt like it's really giving me a very hard time correcting them and give me a very bad feeling. So we need to be specific with the students when they bring the paper. Before they deliver the homework, we ask them what kind of paper do we want. So we tell them, for example, we want a clean, neat A4 paper, white paper. Do not. Some students bring red paper, purple paper, especially if they are girls. It's really fun, but it's not academic in some institutions. So you can just tell them we want like A4 white paper where you write this essay on it, and it has to be with organized handwriting. It doesn't have to be beautiful, but it is, readable. Like you, while correcting it, you can read what they're writing. So they have to be patient while writing it, not just writing it quickly so that they would just throw it back to you. And if the students came after these instructions and they give you the paper looking bad, tell them no, I'm afraid I will not be able to accept it, because as we have agreed before, this is not the type of paper that we agreed upon it. Because accepting this kind of behavior, they will just keep repeating it if you accepted it once, twice, and thrice. So tell them no, it's a no, you have to go change it and bring it back, and this would be like the last time you do this, because later on, the moment you just we agree on a certain date, that's it. If you're late, I'm not gonna accept the paper from you. Being firm with the students is gonna help them have better attitude later on inside the class. If your institution can afford it, you might have a printed paper for the homework where certain details are written on it, like the name, the date, the kind of homework, which class, and so on. So this way you can just distribute the homework paper to the students where they do it, and then they bring it back to you, so all of the paper will be just looking the same. If not, they can just use the paper that they bring or they buy on their own, and you can even encourage them to complete it in a portfolio where this portfolio can be graded later on, and you tell them this from the beginning so that they would feel excited. We're just gonna make it neat and looking good so that the portfolio will get a good grade, and this is gonna be like a bonus for them to be organized and collect the material.